I had to show you guys that I must be officially the crazy bird lady, because 2 little kids came to my house with this little baby bird and said, "Do you want it? We don't know what to do with it." And they knew to bring it to me. So I fed it hand feeding formula and put a little towel in here, little thing of food, although I'm pretty sure he can't eat it because it's so little. And that's my mom in the background. I'm not really sure what she's cheeping about, but anyway, this is Amberlynn named it. What'd you name it?
Berry.
Berry. Not really sure why. He doesn't look like a berry, but anyway, I'm gonna try to save him. And of course, everybody told me just put him back outside. But of course,
because why?
well, because of bird disease. And I am gonna put him outside, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna put him in a warm spot in the garage. And anyway, we have him in our little carry cage, and that's little Berry. And